Okay, good day everyone. So this time we're going to discuss about understanding the normal distribution. Okay, so we have the following properties of the normal distribution. The first one, the distribution is bell-shaped. Okay, so if you try to illustrate, it would appear like this. Okay, so draw a horizontal line and then try to draw a bell shape. Okay, so that's the illustration of a normal distribution. The second property, the curve is symmetrical about the center. What does it mean? So it is going to be balanced, okay? The left and the right side of the bell shape are equal in terms of area, in terms of structure, okay? The third one, the mean, median, and mode coincide at the center. So from the center, we can see the mean, the median, and the mode. Okay? So the three measures of central tendency are found at the center of the normal distribution. The fourth one, the width is determined by standard deviation, at least 3 from the left and 3 also to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So we can extend because it says there at least 3. Okay? And then the fifth property, the tails are asymptotic along the horizontal axis. What does it mean? The tails can be extended indefinitely on both sides of the horizontal axis, but it will never cross through the horizontal axis. So that is asymptotic. Okay? And then the sixth one, the total area of the curve is 1 or 100%. So this is 0.5 or 50%. This is also 0.5 or 50%. So the total in whole number is 1 and the total in percent is 100%. Okay, so this time we get familiar on how to use the z-table in preparation of getting the area under the normal curve. For example, we have 0.25. So how are we going to use the z-table in finding the corresponding value of 0.25? So the first digit is going to be found in your column. Okay, column. And the second digit is going to be found in the row. So we have here, you have to look for 0.2 under your column. And then in the row, you're going to look for 5. So 0.25. So look for the table that in the value, I should say, intersecting 0.2 and 5. So what's a value? 0.0987. Okay, so try to look or to take hold of the table that I gave you and then look if the value can be found there. 0.25 is 0.0987. Maybe have another example. Say we have 1.39. Okay, in your column you have to look for 1.3, and in your row you have to look for 9, and then see the value under the intersection of 1.3 and 9, and that is 0.4177. Okay, and then maybe have another. Say we have 2.57. Okay, so in your column you have to look for 2.5, and then in your row you have to look for 7, and then again try to locate the value or the value under the intersection of 2.5 and 0.7, which is equal to 0.4949. Okay, so these are the different properties of the normal distribution, and also the illustration on how to make use of the z-table in preparation of finding the area under the normal curve. Okay, stand by for the next discussion.